sketch, the ink bottle from the live ink bottle model. Well, like all of my sketches, the first, 10 minutes was like, this is going to be the best thing I ever did. It's going to be luminescent, iridescent. The plastic will look like plastic, the glass will look like glass. It'll be unmistakable. But this far in, it was more like, holy cow, why am I even doing this? Let me hurry and finish. And there it is, the ink bottle from the live ink bottle model. Art fun, draw from life. So this is phase 2. While I was doing that edit, I saw these glaring deficiencies, namely that highlight on the top of the dropper thingy. And so I thought, could I soften that somehow? And that was not really a big success, I would say. It still looked kind of dopey. Next, I thought I'd just do some general refinements, and I got all carried away with the reflections on the top area of the glass and a few doodads here and there around the circumference of the object, and I guess it's slightly improved over phase 1, but whatever, it was a lot of fun doing it. Sketch from life, the ink bottle.